Line talking to babes. All right, guys, here we go. Gold Rush Baseball 2-box break number 6. We got team owners. AZ going to Ellie. Atlanta, CVS, Franskuten. Orioles, almost said Ravens. Stickman. Red Sox, Zack Attack. Cubs, Joe. White Sox, Ash. Reds, Zack Attack. Indians, Zach. Rockies, Beef. Tigers, Haas. Astros, Ash. Royals, Zach. Angels, we got Rob. Dodgers, Gregor. Marlins, Joe. Brew Crew, Cam. Twins, Haas. Mets, Haas. Yankees, Ash. Oaktown, Tony. Phillies, Zach. Pirates, Marty. Padres, J-Tech. Giants, Tony. Mariners, Zach. Cardinals, Ash. TB, Joe. Rangers, Ellie. Blue Jays, Zach Attack. And Nationals going to Zajac. Where the heck is Nikki C from Staten Island, man? Might have some sit-downs or something. Probably sitting down with New York. I mean New Jersey. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we got. Starting out first, we got... Oh, sick. We'll take it. We'll take it. Transcendent autograph 10 of 10 for the Nationals. Randy Nice Guy Johnson. Yeah, they turned into Dallas. That is going to Zajac. And we got a chrome. We got a gold. Is this a rookie? Vladimir Guerrero Jr. gold to 50. Zack Attack. Can't tell what year it is, but gold to 50. Not rookie. I was about ready to say I didn't see a rookie symbol. I forgot if these guys have hits or not. I always forget. And we got a rookie. Number to 87 tops, Aaron Judge for the Yankees. What product is this? Rookie to 87, Aaron Judge. What up, Murph? Nicky C's over there. He might be looking for wiretaps. He might be scanning the perimeter. Be careful, Nicky C. And these guys do it again. Nice hit, Ash! We got an Inception. Is this Inception? Inception rookie jersey auto to 75, Jordan Alvarez. They also hit a triple Triple jersey auto last night, the Astros in Gold Rush. See, they just don't hit once sometimes on teams. Nice hit, Ash. Oh, this is sick looking. I like this. This is nice. We got a Cornerstones quad memorabilia auto to 25, Juan Soto for the Nationals. Big old fatty card going to Zajac. On card, Soto. Sick. All right, looks like we do have a slab. We hit 2 pretty sick cards. We'll see what kind of slab it is. Might be Transcendent. We shall see. And we got a BGS 9-5 with a 9 auto. That is Jose Ramirez for the Cleveland Indians. Jose Ramirez, that is a green? No, must be a regular refractor. Yeah, it must be a standard refractor. And that is for Cleveland, rookie. Finest auto, 9.510 or 9.59. Indians is Zacatak. There we go, guys. That's the end of the Gold Rush case. If they have any more, which I think they're down to maybe 1 or 2, I'll grab one. But not bad. Juan Soto, Yordan Alvarez, Aaron Judge, rookie to 87, Guerrero Jr. to 50, Randy Johnson, Transcendent 10/10, and the Jose Ramirez, rookie finest auto refractor, BGS 959. All right, that's it. Thank you guys. Appreciate it, everybody.